All right. So this is, I'm assuming, the main system. Welcome back to Christina's Garage Gearhead in Training. Today I'm going to open up the delivery from Holley. This is the Holley Sniper EFI 2 for my brother's 67 Mustang Fastback. My brother's Mustang currently has the Holley Sniper EFI 1, and my dad, before he passed, had some issues trying to make everything work together. Next month, my friend Jeff is going to come with me over to my stepmother's house where my brother's car is being my brother's car is parked, and we're gonna do our best to look over it and add the upgrade kit to upgrade it from EFI 1 to the EFI 2. To my understanding, I'm still very new to everything Holley. It's very high tech, and I know that as I'm actually using the product and getting my hands on it, I'm gonna learn along the way. At this point, I do understand that the EFI 2, they made a lot of upgrades that the customers' suggestions or issues that they might have had with the first generation. I am very, very excited about this because I'm not able to do it on my car yet because I don't have an engine. This is going to be good experience for me, practice with, if I can open the box, it's going to be good practice for me to learn the product and how it's used, how it's installed, and I get to help my brother at the same time. That was one of the goals that is one of the goals that I have, to be able to help my brothers and my sister when everybody has their cars. I want to be able to help them. Since my dad is no longer here and he's not able to do it, I want to be able to step up and help where I can. I'm trying to figure, it's a box inside of a box. So what does the outside say? It says, set up and monitor your EFI with included full color handheld, no laptop required, integrated ECU for less wiring and ease of installation, budget-friendly pricing, all the benefits of EFI with money left over to finish your upgrade, finish or upgrade the rest of your ride. Put an end to cold start issues, hesitations, vapor lock and flooding, self-tunes as you drive. And yeah, it says that on that side. What does this side say? It says bolt-on carburetor replacement. Self-tuning EFU means you don't have to be a computer or tuning whiz to have EFI, which definitely applies to me. ECU built-in throttle body, so there are no extra boxes to mount. Simple 4-wire vehicle connection, 3.5-inch color touch screen for easy setup and gauge viewing. Easy to use calibration wizard means no laptop is required. Answer a few questions about your engine, then drive. Sniper tunes on its own. Available in base and master kits. Master kits include complete fuel system, including fuel pump, filters, feed and return hose, and all fittings. Also includes fuel tank return line, bulkhead to return fuel to tank. A lot of that stuff kind of went over my head. I am excited because this is a lot of new things for me, and hopefully I won't mess it all up. All right. Okay. So I'm taking all of the. I haven't gotten to the point where I do sound effects. Oh, all the high-tech sound effects. I can make my own, right? Okay. So it has a couple boxes inside of the box. Let's pull them all out. Okay. This is the Sniper 2 to Sniper 1 adapter harness. This one just has a part number. Another part number on the outside of that box. I think these are these gaskets? It has the instruction manual with some other parts in here, and it has a warranty card, quick start manual. Okay, so it comes with a bunch of pictures. I really like that. Pictures and labels, very important for me. I want to make sure I don't disorganize all this stuff because I need to take it all with me to Santa Rosa. And Jeff is a lot more experienced with car stuff than I am. Where did I put this? Okay. I guess the key is to make sure I keep everything together and not disorganized. Woohoo! All right. So this is, I'm assuming, the main system. Yeah, my brother wanted the black. I personally, because there were two options for colors. There was the silver or stainless steel or the black. I really like the black. Okay. And then, how about I move the razor away from me so I don't cut myself? Okay, this comes up. And this is service parts and accessories. Hosing, or hose, it's a hose. Cool, and then it looks like there's some more instructions in there. I'm gonna leave all of that together. Oh, keep trying to open the box the wrong way. What's in here? The connector, the Sniper 2 MB connector, okay? I do like how all the parts are very organized in the boxes, and that the instruction manual has all the pictures. That way, as they advertised it, to be easy for people to set up. Oh, I keep wanting to open it this way when it needs to go up. All right. This, a wiring harness, I believe. Cool. So there's not too many parts. And I do have, I will be putting this in my car when I'm ready. I do have the first gen EFI actually in a box on the shelf here. Maybe one of these days I'll open up that box and maybe compare what's in this one versus that one. I'm not entirely sure yet. It's definitely a lot for my brain to absorb. I am gonna need to look over this manual. As I said, I do like that the boxes are separate and that each one is labeled with an actual part number. That way I'll be able to refer to the manual. And I will update you guys when I am in Santa Rosa. I'm gonna do my best to record as much of the process as possible of Jeff and I figuring out first what's going on with my brother's Mustang and upgrade the EFI 1, the EFI 2. I'm very excited. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week.